Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Friday and I have dropped my first son in school and I'm just trying to, I just had breakfast and I'm trying to respond to some emails, answer questions on Instagram, on Telegram, in the comment sections. It has just been a very slow day. I have chores piling up. You see the plate that is waiting for me. I'll also be going to work later tonight. But I just wanted to come in and catch you up on what has been going on. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a video, which is at least once every week. I also have a Telegram group here if you're interested in content or asking questions or just generally want to know more information on becoming a healthcare worker here in the UK. The link will be in the description box. Remember to check it out and join the community as well. I'm expecting a package, but I don't know if it will come today, but we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so my package just arrived. This is a PR package that I got from Snack Surprise and they just sent me their box. If you don't know about Snack Surprise, so I just want to thank Snack Surprise for sending me this box absolutely free of charge. They are a snack-based company and this is a fun idea that they have created. I absolutely love the packaging of this box. It is definitely worth gifting. Please check it out and subscribe for your own box. They send out these boxes every month, so you get a surprise from one country each month, and it is just a fun way to just share this box with family and friends. The link to their website will be in the description box, so please remember to check it out and have fun while you snack. Alright, so I'll leave the link to their website on the screen. The process is really easy. You sign up with them, you register, put all your details and all of that, and then they send you a box every month. They send you a box from one part of the world every month, so it's like a surprise. You don't know where you're getting surprise from. You might just get surprise from your country, but this is what the box looks like. I'm yet to find out what country I'm getting the surprise from, so let's open it. I can't wait. I love to snap. Yes! Do you see that? This box is from Spain. Alright, so here the pamphlet just says that this box is from Spain. There's some fun facts over here. So there are different kind of boxes. So there's the mini box, there's the original box, and then there's the premium box. Obviously this one will have a lot more content than, depending on your subscription, that's I think what you're going to get. There's also a homemade recipe here. Oh, this is thoughtful. Oh, Cheerios. I'm definitely making this one. Definitely making this one. Alright guys, let us open. Finishing. Like, I love to do crossword puzzles, so this is a very thoughtful package. Thank you so much. I got the original box, so this is in between the mini box and this is the box we got. Alright, I'm not even going to attempt to murder the names that I can see on here, but this is the list of things that we got. This is very thoughtful. I'm guessing this is baked and not fried. You can taste the egg in it. It says fried egg taste. You can actually taste the egg. I love this one. Wow. Alright, on to the next one. We have this one. Bika Bits is the name of this one. Kind of looks like a prawn cracker. Not really a fan of this one. Kind of feels bitter. Yeah, I prefer the first one to that one. This is also something like a chip, but let's see what's inside. Look at them, it's so cute inside. You can actually taste the ketchup in it. And that's the ketchup on it. I love this one. Really like that one. This one has to be one of my favorites. Kind of feels like bread, but then it has this crunchy glaze on top of it. So nice. I think my children will like that one. This one, oh, I'm going to open this one because it feels like Haribo's, and I kind of have fallen in love with Haribo's in this country. Now let's try the strawberry one. It's me and my children, but this one we will fight for everyone. It's take one, I take one. Let's see what this one is about. I'm starting to get a sugar rush. I like that it comes like individual ones, like you can break them off. That's what the other ones look like. So you just take it. Like a chocolate wafer wrapped in chocolate ganache. I really like it that it's not overly sweet. This one, I know they'll have some kind of pop to them. Alright. Yeah. Definitely have fizz in them. Fizz nuggets. What are these ones called? Picottas. And this is what it looks like. Like a gumball. You can actually bite into them, but then it's very chewy. Very sweet. You know, this is proper sweet, like very sweet. Kind of sits in your gum. Yeah, very sweet. Let's wrap it up with a drink. This will be the last thing to kind of wash it all down. All right. That's very refreshing citrus. I don't know, maybe because I just had it sweet, but it doesn't feel too sweet. I love this one. Alright guys, so that is our package for today. I really enjoyed this box. If you are interested in getting a box like this, either the mini, the original box like this, or the premium box, head over to the link in the description box. It will have all of the details. Just sign up, you get a box. You can also send this box to family and friends, so you don't have to keep all of this to yourself. Go over there and share this love with someone else. All right.